Hi, my name is Anka Metcalf, and in this quick video I will show you how to customize your indicators. We're talking about the pivot point indicator and about the spread indicator. So after you have downloaded these two indicators, they will pop up right here on your navigator on the left hand side. You can see right here the SDX, TZ pivots, and the spread. Once you have them in here, all you have to do is select them with a left click of the mouse and simply drag them into the chart and release. The same thing you do for the spread. So left click on the mouse, drag them to your chart, and then release. And now let's go back to the chart and see how we can customize the pivot points first to look just like mine. First of all, you take your mouse and you right click. After you right click, you will have this window that is going to pop up, and very quickly you go to your indicator list. Right now you're going to have the SDX TZ pivot points and the spread since we have downloaded them to the chart. Select the first one, the SDX TZ pivots, and go hit edit. Now at this time, if you want to have them set up the way I have them set up, please make sure that you have all the settings just like mine. Local time zone 0, destination time zone 0, line style 3, line thickness 3, show pivots true, pivot color yellow, and now let's scroll down. Support color, I have it in red, resistance color green, show mid pivot, I have it selected to true, and if you do not have it selected to true, make sure you double click, scroll down, and select true. Same thing goes for colors. You double click, select the color, and hit the color. So there's nothing to it. Alright, so mid pivot color, I have it light gray. If you have any other shade of gray, make sure you double click, scroll down to the arrow, and select the preferred color. My preference is light gray. Now, line style mid pivot, these are the lines right here. I have them number 2. Line thickness mid P, I have them 2 as well. And let's scroll down. Alright, label color, I have it black. Show comment, it's false. Show high low open, it's true. Make sure if it's default you set it up for true. Next one, high low open color, I have it in blue. Show sweet spot false, we don't need that. Sweet spot color, we don't need that. So to continue, show fibos, we don't need that, so make sure you have it in false. Fibo colors, we don't need that. Show camarilla, I have it in false, we don't need that. Camarilla color, no need to change because it is false. Camarilla color again as well. Show level prices, this is true, so make sure if you have it false, make sure it's selected to true. Okay, day separator black, if you do not have it set in black, make sure you double click, scroll down, and select black. Same thing for day label, select it in black. You can see the black right here, double click if it's a different color and select it in black. Bar for labels, I have it selected for 10, and debug logger, I have it for false. Now, very carefully, leave everything the way it is, don't touch anything, go to common. Here you have 2 boxes, make sure the first one is not selected and just the second one is selected with this check mark right here. Now, don't touch anything and move to colors. To colors, I have a default to black. Make sure you have it in black as well. And again, don't hit any of these buttons right now and go to your 4th tab, visualization. Now, you might have all time frames selected, like so. Make sure that you deselect all time frames and you manually check M1, M5, M15, M30, H1, H4. These are intraday pivot points and we don't need to see them on the daily, weekly, or monthly. Make sure that the last box is checked, showing the data window, And now that we're done with all the customization of this window, we're just going to hit OK. Alright, so this is it. You should have it popped up on your charts right now. Now, if you go to Spread, same thing. If you want to change any kind of color, you go to Spread, select the spread, hit Edit, and here you can change anything you want. I have it all default. I haven't changed anything. But if you want to change the font color, if you want to make it, let's say if you want to make it blue, go right ahead. You could pick it blue, hit OK, and you could also see that it automatically transformed it to blue. Alright, and now you hit close and you're all set. Happy trading. Thanks so much for listening. See you next time.